Alright, in this video we're kind of going to explain the installation of our LED strips in a soda vending machine that does not have a full sign face. So as you can see down here, there's metal in the delivery port, and the LED strips that are used in this style of machine are not as long as when the soda machine has the full sign face. Basically the installation is just as easy, but kind of just want to open this door and show you what's involved. Alright, this particular machine was made by Dixie Narco, and it was their MPC control board version. So it has this metal plate and this long board here. Your vending machine, it could vary differently, so when you open it up, there may or may not be this metal plate involved. Basically, that really won't affect the installation. This machine here, you'll be able to see that we've already installed the LED strips. And basically, just to give you an idea of when you're doing it, if you have an open area, there's the metal ridge right here on each side that you could potentially mount them. On this strip, we mounted them on the inside. It also varies on how much work you want to do. For this particular one, we used the existing metal, and we would just high strap it to the metal. Most typically, the further away you can get from the sign face, the better it's going to look. In this vending machine, I'll point you down here to this area. When it came stock from the factory, there was this plug. So this harness is coming from the inside. There's this little two-position plug. When this came from the factory, this originally went to a very large ballast. So we've since removed the ballast. We supply, a power supply comes with the kit, and it's going to be pre-wired, so it's just going to connect. So basically that is all that is involved in wiring it. This connects to 120 volts. Here's your 12 volt power supply. So we have this here, it connects to our first LED strip. Up here we've joined the two. When you purchase this kit, it's also going to come with an extension you may or may not need, basically just to give you flexibility, because not all machines are going to be the same. If you needed to join the strips and you needed a little bit more leeway, these are about a foot apart, so it comes with an extension harness, so that would give you the ability to spread them apart. Again, once you do it, and you power them up, it should look as good as the fluorescent light bulbs. I've found that the further back you can place them is good, and again, when you open your machine, don't be surprised if it looks a little bit different, because there's a lot of different internal styles. But basically, after you remove the ballast and you've done a couple of these kits, installation time would be no more than 5 minutes.